The third project is called pre-op and post-op design. First, we create a design, putting the teeth in the final position, visualizing the areas that need to be reduced in order to design the veneers. Secondly, we create a final design by prepping the teeth digitally in order to visualize the final clean result. The preparation is a procedure to make space for the veneer. Depending on the material of the final restoration, the prep can be deeper or not, can be more aggressive or non-invasive. In conclusion, the prep is guided by the design. Design, the digital result will determine how to prep. Secondly, the prep will be guided by the material of the final restorations. Composite veneers, zirconia, emax need different minimal thickness, so the prep can be more or less invasive. The final material is the most important decision for the treatment plan and the consequences for the preparation. The biggest advantage of SmileFy is that you can build up a new project based on the latest version. You don't need to start new, calibrate or biocopy the design. In the latest version, we have designed the mock-up. The templates are modified, the palatal area is deleted. In the section 3D layers, we select from the project matrix the original templates. Now we design, adjusting the position and ideal pre-op design. The definition of the pre-op design is, the teeth are in an ideal position, and in the project we visualize the areas that need to be reduced from the patient's teeth. When we design the ideal pre-op version, we also consider the patient's original teeth to preserve the lip support. When we design too far lingually, and we prep deeper, we lose lip support, which can have a negative impact on the overall result. In this case, we design buccally very close to the patient's original teeth. The right central is in a wrong position. But because the patient does not want an orthocorrection, the tooth has to be prepped more aggressively, in order to restore the occlusal curve. That's the ideal pre-op design. In the next step, we want to visualize the smile as a post-op smile. We will prep the teeth digitally and we will create a clean digital result. With the brush, I mark the areas that need to be reduced. The SmileFy technology allows a very precise editing of the meshes by marking the areas that need to be reduced and protecting the areas that need to remain the same. In this case, we don't want any change in the gingival margins. With the flattened brush, you can now reduce the areas that need to be prepped. Also, a big advantage of our workflows is that every time you edit a 3D layer, we duplicate automatically that layer so that you have the original and the modified one. You only focus on the design, and SmileFy manages all layers for you. The ideal pre-op design will be used to create a mockup and to use it to prep through this mockup minimal invasive. The ideal post-op is a digital visualization of the design. A quality control layer. You can save the case and add notes regarding the design, templates, and treatment plan. Communication is the most important aspect in the multidisciplinary cases, and the notes are available to anyone involved in the case.